Okay, I'm going to try and shoot a video of my son's Tele knockoff. It has Seymour Duncan pickups in it. Have the, can't see it because of the light here, have the 1R on the back. There it is. That's on both pickups. So let's talk about what's going on. On the neck pickup, it has a hum, and it hums until he touches something metal like the Bigsby or the bridge. If you turn it over, it's got the little jumper wire here that I believe is reversing the phasing. There you can see the 1R on the label here at my thumbnail. I think that reverses the phasing. So if I trace the black and the white wire and compare it to the diagram, the wires are actually reversed. So the black wire goes right here, which according to the instructions should be the white wire. And then the white wire is this one right here, which goes to ground, which is normally where the black wire goes. So I'm not sure, being a novice at this, why they would reverse the phasing on the pickup and then reverse the polarity of the wiring. So that's a mystery. Don't understand that. When I move to the bridge pickup, it too has the polarity reversed, and of course there's the ground wire, which we checked with an ohm meter, that actually rests under the bridge to ground it. So it has the polarity, the phasing reversed, but the polarity is correct. When I trace the wires, the black wire goes to the grounding here, and the white wire runs over here to the switch, which is the way it's supposed to be set up based on the instructions that we have. Now, the other things that are different about this wiring setup, according to the instructions, there should be a ground jumper wire from this casing to this casing, which we do not have. What we do have instead is this capacitor, or whatever this is. I'm not an electronics guy, so I don't know what it is, which isn't shown in the diagram. And it actually is wired from the center post on the tone knob to the ground on the volume knob. When I test the cases with an ohm meter, I get continuity, but I do not have a direct ground wire from one case to the other. And then of course there are the wires here that go to the input jack that seem to test polarity correct. So I'm hesitant to change the wiring when I don't understand why it might be this way. But that's kind of the mystery behind it. We took it apart, since it's a parts guitar that we bought secondhand. We took it apart thinking we would wax or pot the pickups, but looking at them, and according to the Seymour Duncan website and literature, they're already waxed, so there shouldn't be any reason to do that. So we're not going to do that, but we would still like to try and figure out why we have a pretty severe hum in the front that stops when you touch anything metal, which tells me it's likely a grounding issue of some type. And then why we have the microphoning in the bridge pickup if it's already waxed.